Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down in the description of that video. So go choose the timeline depending on your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes you, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Why? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Not something hard, my friend, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here. So what you waiting for? Go ahead and do it. Subscribe to our channel, my friend. Help us. We want the channel to reach at least to 3,000 subscribers as soon as possible. You done it? Welcome to the family. So, as you see here, today the daily candle is finished here. Visit that one here. And what it giving us here, if we zoom it a little bit like that, what we see in here. As you see with me, the market give you here, that candle here, that red one we finished today. That's what we call it indecision candle, yes or no? And that one, what it's need, if it came next to it a red candle here, that is going to indicate the market is going to fall down again, yes or no? But what else we said about that level here? People they been with us, they remember those things. We said that level here, look at it very, very, very close what I'm going to tell you here. You see that green candle, that one? Let's zoom it a little bit to explain those things to you. Look with me here. You see that green candle, that one? Will break that level here, that one. Is it that green candle? Yes or no? Did you see any bigger candle here indicating it's going to break that level again down here? No. So there is no power to break down here. Yes or no? And if you came here, let me show it to you, and you put the volume like that. Focus it with me here. Now what I'm going to show you here. Let's zoom it now. Look with me here now. You see here that green candle, that one? The volume of it, how big it is. Look down here. What you see? That green candle, the volume of it is still very big till now. So till now there is no sellers enter yet. Those people they been pushing from down till now, no one of them enter yet to the market. So what that mean? I'm talking here about long-term traders, not swing trading. Long-term trading is another story. So if you are a long-term trader, just stay safe. Forget about everything. And my advice to you, if you got $100, buying $10. If you got $1,000, buying $100 per week. Started buying slowly, buy slowly. Small chunks. If it fall down, you buying slowly, buy slowly. If it go up, you buying slowly, buy slowly. Like that, you will not lose nothing. Remember those things. And also what we said here in the last videos, what we said here. We said we got here an uptrend. We started from down here and here and here. Until now, the Bitcoin is showing here. He couldn't break the trend line down. Should we enter long now here? No, my friend. There is nothing here indicating for you. You need to enter long. You need to wait more what the market is going to tell you. So till now, also we staying stuck here in that level here, that one, and that one here in the top. Till now we couldn't break that level here. So the buying is going to happen unless if it came and break in here. Over here, if we break that level here, you're going to see major move happening to the Bitcoin. But till now there is nothing yet. Remember those things, and I want to show it to the people they've been with me from down here. I told them if it came and break in here, it's going to give us a very well-known wake-off pattern. So for long traders or long-term investors, if it doesn't break in here, there is no bull run started. Yes, also now we are above in the 200 moving average. I can even show it to you. Let me show it to you. As you see, also here we are above in the 200 moving average, and the 50 moving average is close above, and the market is still going with it like that, as if we got here an uptrend. But all those things, there is nothing happening, and there is nothing confirmed to us. Also, we are in an uptrend. And if you remember what I told you here in the daily, I told you we got here a very clear flag like that, and that the flag from down like that. Till now we haven't breaking up here for us to know the market is going to go more higher. So till now we're staying here sideways, guys. You need to remember those things. Look with me how I'm drawing that flag. You came down here and you came to the top of those ones like that, and you waiting if the market came and breaking up, you can enter long again, or you can even doing something like that, you draw in here a wedge like that or a triangle like that. And I show you yesterday we got here a big head and shoulder here. I show you all those things, but all those things, nothing of them it's made. It doesn't break it up, so there is nothing. And that one is the last defense we have here. And those people, they believe in the Bitcoin is going to go to 10K. That the last defense they have. If we break that level here, it will never go there. And all of them, they will buy late from here at 26K or 27K. So the Bitcoin at these levels is it in a discount, and no one can beat the market. Remember that. No one can know exactly where is the bottom. All those people, they saying it's going to go to 10K. Maybe they are right, maybe they are not, because we don't care. No one can beat the market. Professional people, they spending all the life of them trading. They never ever beat in the market. Yes, you can beat it once, but you will never beat it every time. So the same thing for you. It's better for you to start buying slowly by slowly. Everything is too clear here. Now it's going to see the coming news for today. So let's go in there. Here we are. That's the coming news for today. As you see it, we got very major news today. Is the consumer confidence. That one, you need to make a close eye at it. Me, I'm going to tell it to you how it's going to come. Majority of Americans, they living in debt. Majority of them, they using debit card or credit card. That's why you see them, they have money. Some of them, they're losing the jobs of them, but they still using the debit card or credit card. And now you know the interest rate in America is too high. So that one is a big problem for US economic again. I don't know. So let's go back to the topic here. So that one tomorrow, if it came here like the forecast, is going to come good for consumer confidence. And Americans, all of them, they got money. Because in America, even if you don't got money, you don't work, you just go and you're making a credit card and you about your score and those things. Is a very complicated system. So that's another story. And here, our friend, as you see it, what we said here about it, look at it, what's happened to it today. US stocks, all of them, they are green. And today is Monday. You need to be careful about that one. Today is Monday, guys. So you need to be careful about that. Monday is always the day of the market makers because the real investors, they don't enter in Monday. So I think picture is too clear here. And here, our friend is the VIX. As you see it, it's still above 20. It's 20.95. And tomorrow when it's going to come, the consumer confidence is going to go more higher than that. Remember that. So even that one is a bad sign. So you need to make a close eye about those things. Here, US dollar. Today, it fell down a little bit. Look at it. I'm going to explain it to you like that. US stocks, they are going up. US dollar, it's falling down. And tomorrow is going to come consumer confidence. What that meant? Consumers, they still buying stuff. And they need to back the money with high interest rate. That means US dollar is going to go more high. You need to make things together. Now let's going to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours. By the way, over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right. What we said here, we said it like that. In the last videos, we said like that. We got here a triangle, and that triangle is getting broke here. And also we said we enter long from here. The market went up till here, till that last high here. But he couldn't break. As you see it, what it done here now. And today it show us as if it's going to fall down. But the last candle of today, it's back up again. He tried to give us here now like a cup and handle here, very clear cup and handle. If you want to see it very clear, you just came here, you change it from candles to lines. As you see it now, very clear cup and handle. Look at it. That's the cup, and over here is the hand, but the neckline of that one is it here like that. So if a candle came and closing above that level here, as man, the Bitcoin, it will go up more. And that's what me I told you yesterday. I told you me I hope it's going to fall down again to make a test like that. And that's what it done exactly. So now the level you need to make a close eye at it is that level here. Look at it, how I'm going to draw it here. That one here, at the top of it, and over here, the lower of it. You want to draw it 100% right, draw it like that, how I draw it me, in the line chart, not in the candles. Even in the candles is the same thing, but that level here. Now, if we go back and we break it up, the Bitcoin will go up again. So we need to wait and more what's going to happen. But till now, as you see it, look at that candle here. That one here, what it done. Let me zoom it a little bit for you. For picture to get more clear to you. Look here. You see the candle here, what it done here. Look at it. It came here, but it show a big tail from up. Then it came that red candle down here. Then it came a green candle. Now, if a green candle came and breaking that level here, that one, the Bitcoin will go back where it fall down from. Remember those things. Now, the last level we're holding the Bitcoin is that one. That one here. And I got something else for you. Let me show it to you. Look here. You see that blue one here. That one is the 200 moving average. And the Bitcoin is showing here a big power or a big support here. It doesn't want to fall down. But in the top, we got the 15 moving average. Even that one is a support. As you see it, also we are stuck between 50 and the 200 moving average. So we need the Bitcoin to break one of them. To break either up or to break either down. So I think picture is too clear to you here. That one for the long. For the short, let me show it to you. For the short, same thing. What else we said? We said before we have here a trend line. Now you can make it even like that. And you get here a big wage like that as you see it. And even that one, if it fall down here and break a lower here, you can enter short. People, they haven't entered with us from here. If it came and breaking up here, you can enter long. The stop loss of you need to put it down here in that lower here. But for you to enter long, it need to break here, that level here. For us to enter long, and it's going to break even that trend line. You see me how I draw it or no? Look with me. I came to the top here and I came here like that, or you can make it like that and here like that and like that. We got here a wage. If that one came and breaking up here, you can enter long. If it came down here and break a lower here, you can enter short. So me I give you the scenarios for long and for short. Everything is too clear. So if it came and breaking here, you enter short. That's it. So now let's go into see our indicators what they're saying today. So let's go in there. Here we are, that our indicator guys, as you see it, that one here, there is no power to break here. The same level how I show you in the chart is the same thing here. We couldn't break that level here or that wall as we got here. So there is no buyers to push to break that level here. That's something not good. Now, if it came down and break a lower here, and me I show you, even if you want to enter long, I show you how to enter long and I show you how to enter short. And that one for long, it's need to break here. And for the short, it's need to break for us that wage as we got in the chart. I just show it to you. Take profit for that one. It needs to be down here at the oversold area. That's how is it trading. That's a part of trading. But now very clear. Now us we are in the level where is the bears they controlling. Yes, it's go back here, but there is no big power. So that means us we are in a downtrend here. Even that one you need to be focused about it. But in the daily we still in an uptrend. I think everything is too clear, and we need to wait in the monthly candle after tomorrow. So that one is going to make a big difference where is the market is going to go. Everything is too clear here. Now it's going to see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, I told you yesterday, also we are here at the oversold area. So we need to looking for buy because level we are in a very stronger level. Look at it. Third thing, we need a price action. Also before we used to have here a price action like that. That way also we enter long. And for the people they haven't entered with us long, look what we have here. We have here now a very clear wage. You waiting if it's getting broke here. You can enter long again. That for the people they haven't entered. People they enter with us long. They put a stop loss down here. If it fall down here and breaking down here, we will enter short again. And it's going to be stop loss hitted. If you enter short, you put stop loss above here that level. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Over here, we said like that. You can find it in our channel. We said when it's breaking here, you enter long. That's what it done exactly. Look at it. Tell where it went. Tell here. And look here, that level me I just show you in the 4 hours. Look at it here. How is it? Very stronger level as you see it. You see here and here. Over here, we couldn't break it. So over here, there is a big resistance here. And what me I told you in the last video again, I told you came here, you drawing a trend line like that. You wait it when it's going to get broke, you enter short. It's getting broke here as you see it, but it doesn't fall down that much, just to here. So we'll have you enter for scalping here, and me being scalp it all the whole day here. And now what we got here, look with me here, what you got here. You got here like a megaphone now, like that. You waiting that one to come to break up here. If you want to enter long, that's mean if it came and breaking up here, it's going to break even that last high here or that one here. So holding. So that one you need to be focused about it. And the only thing we got here now, and we got even that small up channel like that. You can make it like that as you see it. Even that one you can make it like that. If it came and break a lower here, you can go down short with it. If it go up and breaking here, you can enter long and you go with it till whatever is going to go. I think picture is too clear, so now I'll show you 2 price actions you got here in 30 minutes. You got here that mega fall like that as you see it. That's the first one. The second one you got here that up channel like that. Look with me here, I'm going to draw it. You see it or no? And you came to that one and you connecting those dots like that. So it's very clear channel here. It touched the lower of it here. Now it needs to go up to touch the up of it here. If it's break it up, it's going to go more higher. Till now, there is nothing here in that level where we are. That way you don't see a big volume till now. Let's see our indicators, what they're saying today. So let's go in there. Our indicator, look at it. It gives also here like a divergence. As you see, it very clear divergence here. So that way me I told you need to looking for short now. Look with me here. You see how I connecting that one and that one. If the market came and break a lower here, you enter short, and we don't got the divergence just here. We got it even in other indicator. Let's see it. You see it here. Look with me here. What we got here. You see those ones, they are going down, and those ones, they are going up. Even here, we got a very clear divergence here. As you see it, the same how we used to have it down here. You remember, people they been with us, they remember the divergence we used to have here. Same thing, now you got a divergence here. But for you to enter short, I just show you what you need. Let me show it to you again. You came here. Look with me what I'm done. You came to the tail here and you draw in a trend line like that. In the top, you can even draw it or not, depending on you. And you waiting. If the market came and break a lower here, you see where I'm showing you. If the market came and break in here, you enter short. Remember those things. If the market came and break a lower here, you enter short. Everything is too clear, guys? So that's it for that video. And please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. See you in another video. Bye for now, guys.